Very well. So we start with the episode with a grand Granit Xhaka news. Of course, it's not grand because I've literally said a lot of things before. So let's go for it. So according to Marco Conterio, a deal for Granit Xhaka to Roma is accelerating. The offer has been increased to 18 million with bonus, and the parties are now close to an agreement for the Swiss international, who has already said yes to a 4-year deal. Well, not only that, Conterio has already opened up about it, but it is not just him. Well, lots of many other sources also confirm that it's going to be 15 million euros plus 2.5, which will be agreed upon. Yes, calciomercado.com say that Arsenal and Roma are the final details of finally agreeing a deal for Xhaka. Both teams have taken step towards each other and deal is imminent. 15 million euros plus 2.5 million euros, which ends up at 15 million pounds, is what we're gonna get. So yes, that is that. So as we speak more about the stuff, here's an unrealistic but multiple resources and multiple sources have come up with this news. Arsenal are interested in Tammy Abraham, as first reported by the Beautiful Game podcast. Well, Alexander Lacazette's contract is due to expire next summer, and Arsenal would be open to offers for the Frenchman to try to help fund a move for Abraham, according to Telegraph Football. Abraham is expected to leave Chelsea this summer, and the Blues have allowed a number of players to join Arsenal in recent years with Cech, Luiz, Willian. Chelsea value the striker at 40 million pounds, and even Matt Law says that Arsenal are interested in signing Tammy Abraham, who has already been touted to Dortmund, Inter Milan, and Tottenham. He asks, wonder why. Now they have a question as to why are Arsenal even thinking of going for Tammy. Nobody knows, man. Nobody knows. But this is a total. I don't get it. Moving on, it's not done yet, but let's talk about talks over a new contract for Emil Smith Rowe are moving positively. According to Sky Sports News, Arsenal so far had two bids worth 40 million pounds and 47 million pounds rejected for Ben White. Brighton will not stand in his way if Arsenal meet their valuation. According to Sky Sports Sheath, he says the talks continue between Arsenal Brighton defender Ben White wants to move to Arsenal. Brighton will not stand in his way as long as the offer that matches the assessment is received. And Arsenal are among one of the clubs preying on AZ Alkmaar's star Tune Koopmeiners. The midfielder with 15 goals and 5 assists in the Eredivisie last season was a big fan of Gunners as a child, and that may favour the North London club in a transfer chase. So Tune Koopmeiners could be in for a surprise with Arsenal lurking for him. Now, 2 months later, Fabrizio Romano tweets out that 2 months later, still the same plans for Willian. Well, he is expected to leave Arsenal this summer once the right proposal will arrive. Work in progress with his agent to find the best solution in the next weeks. Arsenal board now waiting too. So it looks like after David Luiz, Willian is already planning and is making sure that he would leave Arsenal at the earliest. He knows that why things will not turn out to be. Well, there's a Olympic Marseille. Someone has leaked out the photographs. A video of a photographer of Marseille clicking photos of William Saliba before being announced. That is already on Twitter. You can check it out. I could not bring in the episode because I could not bring that video in because of copyright claims. You never know. People can do a lot of fake copyrights as well. But YouTube does not give an F. They just send the I would just get a notification and boom, my channel will get a community guidelines strike. So I don't want that. Go and check it out on Twitter. Well, first tweet after a disappointing end to the Euros, Bukayo Saka's open message to the world, ladies and gentlemen. If it's too small for you, let me read out some key important points that I would really like to say. He says that I have stayed away from social media for a few days to spend time with my family and reflect on the last few weeks. This message won't do it justice how grateful I am for all the love that I have received, and I feel that I need to thank everyone who has supported me. There are no words to tell you how disappointed I was with the result and my penalty. I really believed we would win this for you. I'm sure that we couldn't bring it home for you this year, but I promise you that we will give everything we've got to make sure this generation knows how it feels to win. There is no place for racism. Wait. Most importantly, Bukayo will still be fighting and is actually taking actions and reporting those comments to the police. So it looks like Rashford, Sancho, and Saka will finally take some criminal action, and it's about time that they should take criminal action against these things. And thank goodness that we are witnessing that. Crazy stuff. Well, also, according to Telegraph, Chelsea want 40 million for Tammy Abraham, as I already mentioned it. Despite growing up in the Chelsea academy, Abraham was a boyhood Arsenal supporter who idolized Thierry Henry. So move to the Emirates is likely to appeal to the 23-year-old, but that is according to Telegraph. So let's see. And as already mentioned, according to calciomercato.com, Roma want Xhaka. Well, barring a sensational twist, Thiago Pinto plans to deliver Xhaka to Jose Mourinho for the start of the Portuguese training campaign on July 26th. But it is not out of the question that Granit will reduce his holidays to join his teammates in Trigoria. That's one of the biggest things that he needs to do. I mean, come on, Kieran Tierney did it, so of course I think Granit will also do it. But let's see. So if you know this dashing young man is Nicolo Barella, according to Sport Media Set, Arsenal have inquired about the possibility of signing Inter Milan midfielder Nicolo Barella, but the Nerazzurri have responded to their interest with a firm no. Of course, I'm pretty much sure if Antonio Conte would have stayed, of course, they would not even entertain such an inquiry. But for now, let's see. Italian broadcaster Sport Media Set reported that Arsenal have inquired about Barella. Barella's form in the Nerazzurri in 2019 has attracted many admirers and, of course, the Euros. But Arsenal are not the only club interested in Nicolo Barella. It's Manchester United, Chelsea. But here's the problem. Well, the base price or the base for the auction of the player that will be set, that is already set up by Inter Milan for Nicolo Barella. Of course, Liverpool, United, and Chelsea all are interested is 70 million pounds, million euros. I'm sorry. The Nerazzurri hope to avoid selling the player entirely and will look to secure his future with a contract extension and a salary increase, which would take him to a net 4 million euros per season plus add-ons. This is the beauty of Inter Milan. This is something that AC Milan does not do. They don't provide salaries more than 3.5 million euros per year. That's the problem. I'll tell you why that's a problem, because that's the whole reason why a lot of clubs, a lot of players are leaving. Donnarumma, Çalhanoğlu, and of course now Franck Kessie might leave as well. I mean, I've read reports wherein Franck Kessie's agent has straight away spoken to AC Milan and said, if you have a better contract offer above 5 million, let me know, otherwise don't need to call me, or something similar to that. Which I think if anyone deserves it for AC Milan, it should be either Donnarumma and of course Franck Kessie, man. But okay. Arsenal's training base is set to be for a deep clean after members of the under-18s and under-23s has contracted the virus. At London Colney, Mikel Arteta's first team squad has not been impacted as of now. But here's another thing that everyone is talking about on the internet is number 10 officially leaked. Well, this, according to Yoclix, looks like a very big edit. It could be an edit. But this one is, I don't think so this could be an edit, but let's see, man, if it's going to be true or not. But let me know in the comments, do you guys want Tammy Abraham to Arsenal? I've got some comments already on my community tab about that post, but let me know in the comments what you guys actually feel about the whole Tammy Abraham to Arsenal saga. But here's something that about Houssem Aouar that you need to know. Arsenal's offer for Houssem Aouar, according to sources, is less than 20 million euros according to Alexis Bernard. Lyon want close to 25 million euros but cannot afford not to sell if an offer of more than 20 million euros is made. Tottenham are also interested in Aouar and have more means and the ability to offer more. I think Arsenal can offer more. That's not the problem. I think offering more is not the problem for Arsenal. But here we go. Edu Gaspar's wife Paula has posted on her Instagram stories about Edu Gaspar meeting an old friend, Raul Sanyehi. Yes, Don Raul. Well, that's the beauty, isn't it? I love it. I love it. Moving on, so Harvey says that next is Ainsley Maitland-Niles. Well, next player to be leaving is Ainsley Maitland-Niles. Well, just watch out for Ainsley's transfer news coming up this week. So let's see if that's gonna happen or not. So with this, I'd like to end this episode. Thank you so much for tuning in. And I will see you in the next one. Until then, cheers, and don't forget to subscribe. In the comments, do let me know. Nicola Barella to Arsenal, of course you wanted, but the price tag, I don't think so. That's the question I need to ask you. But Tammy Abraham to Arsenal, 40 million. Should Arsenal go for him? Cheers, I'll see you in the next one.